2021 FINA World Swimming Championships 25M. The 15th FINA World Swimming Championships 25M were held from 16 to 21 December 2021 in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates. It was previously scheduled for 13 to 18 December, but moved back 3 days on 24 February 2021. Originally scheduled to be held in 2020, the championships were pushed back 1 year as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Competition took place in a 25-meter short course temporary pool installed at Etihad Arena. In September 2021, it was announced the championships would be part of a larger aquatics program called the Abu Dhabi Aquatics Festival, which includes competition in open water swimming, diving, and high diving. Qualification. The qualification period for competing at the 2021 World Swimming Championships ran from 1 December 2019 through 28 November 2021. On 23 November 2021, FINA announced it would take into consideration times swum as part of the 2021 International Swimming League and allow them to count towards qualification for the 2021 World Championships. In addition to country-specific selection procedures, competitors were required to achieve a qualifying or be time in an event to qualify for the individual or a relay event with individual entries capped at 2 competitors per country and relay entries capped at 1 team per co. Below are the qualifying times for the 2021 World Championships as determined by FINA. Schedule. An opening ceremony preceded the start of pool swimming competition on 16 December, was followed by competition from 16 December to 21 December, and concluded with a closing ceremony on 21 December. A total of 46 events were held. M equals morning session starting at 9:30. E equals evening session starting at 18:00. Medal summary. Medal table. Asterisk host nation United Arab Emirates. Results. Men's events. Swimmers who participated in the heats only and received medals. Women's events. The swimmers who participated in the heats only and received medals. Mixed events. C swimmers who participated in the heats only and received medals. Coverage. More than 180 countries provided viewing opportunities through television broadcast and online streaming mediums. One of the broadcasting agencies providing coverage of pool swimming competition internationally is the Olympic Channel. Additional international coverage was provided by Eurovision Sports. Issues related to COVID-19. On 14 December 2021, it was announced that South African swimmers residing in South Africa would not be able to compete in the championships due to travel bans resulting from the prevalence of the Omicron variant of COVID-19, which is the World Health Organization's latest variant of concern. On 16 December 2021, on 17 December 2021, FINA confirmed 7 accredited participants with positive COVID-19 results, which included at least 1 administrator. This raised questions about its protocols, as some swimmers from other nations, such as Great Britain and the United States, were allowed to continue competing despite members of those teams testing positive for COVID-19. By the end of the championships on 21 December 2021, FINA provided a cap number of 40 individuals who tested positive in the duration of the meet. Later, the exact number of COVID-19 positive accounts was provided. 37 cases total out of all 5,000 individuals involved with the competition, 15 of which were athlete cases.